Hi, I'm John Coghlan, and this is my beautiful wife, Denise.
My name's Denise. Hello.
And we're the proud owners of this beautiful Riviera 3600 Sports Yacht Series 2.
The history of our boating actually started many years ago for me. I started sailing when I was about 20 years of age, so 50 years of sailing. And
I raced sailboats for most of my life, and it wasn't until the last 5 or 6 years that we sold our sailing boat and decided to buy this beautiful Riviera. So we've owned this vessel for 2 years, and prior to that we had a 2007 model 3600 sports yacht, and we decided that was getting a little bit long in the tooth, so we upgraded to this 2016 model, which has the latest technology, including IPS system, which makes it very, very easy to manoeuvre and very easy to berth. So one of the reasons we bought this vessel is so that we could share with the family and our friends, and that's exactly what we've done over now the last 2 summers in this boat and 2 summers before. It's a fabulous craft to bring your family on board. Specifically, we take everybody out on Boxing Day, of course, see the start of the Sydney Hobart.
New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. We've been to 3 New Year's Eve fireworks displays now.
Australia Day.
And we've had a ball. Australia Day, it's another great day. Around Easter is also fabulous, and as the winds lighten up in around that time of the year, it's a brilliant time to get out with your family and friends.
And we do have 9 grandchildren, so you can imagine the paddle boarding is absolutely fantastic, and they're teenagers, a range of ages, so lots of water sports to enjoy.
Well, this vessel has a top speed of some 30 knots, which is the same as most of the larger Rivieras, and it cruises around 15-25 knots. It's just so comfortable. It handles the seaway really well. We've been up to Newcastle and we've been to Bobbin Head, and it's just a fabulous vessel to be in. Yes, some of the fabulous features, standard features on this boat are internal and external refrigeration. It has a microwave oven, and you're able to barbecue out the back, standing out on the swim platform, and it's just so comfortable to get around. Now, this boat was optioned up when it was first ordered. Was optioned up with heaps of options, and we've added as well a joystick at on the starboard side of the boat to make it easier to get your boat in and out of its berth.
I must say preparation of food is particularly easy in this boat because there's lots of areas to be able to prepare.
So originally I started looking at Rivieras at the recommendation of a friend of mine who said don't buy anything else but a Riviera. So we followed his advice and we bought our first 3600, mainly because it was very easy to manoeuvre. It wasn't a huge vessel that we were going to have trouble with, and
very stable.
Yeah.
From a balancing point of view.
Yeah. And then when we learned about all the new technology on the Series 2, we decided that we'd upgrade to this vessel. Now we've been very fortunate in being able to purchase a brand new vessel, a 4600, and so we're improving all the time.
And this will give us an extra cabin and another head that we wanted to take more of our friends away for longer periods of time. My advice to the new owner of this lovely boat would be to use it as much as possible, because with the air conditioning and the heating, it doesn't matter what the weather's like, you can still enjoy time on the boat. And quite frankly, having a Beneteau before with sort of smaller windows, this is so extensive, the beautiful landscape that you're able to see from the boat. It doesn't matter whether you're sitting reading a book or whether you're out here enjoying the fresh air or entertaining, cooking, etc. It's just the most pleasant boat to be on.
Your advice to an owner of this vessel is to take it out, enjoy it, and in all types of weather. And we hope to see you out on the water, and we'll give you a wave and wish you well.
And share it with friends and family, and you'll never miss this beautiful Sydney
You'll never have any regrets.
harbour.
Yeah.